myself in here.
Helga's camping. There's such fog, guys. Oh, I want this. I did this. Hee.
This would be like the 100th time he's passed by.
Helga, since you're like, kill me, why don't I just go out there to the bushes and get bitten by a rattlesnake?